I'm Rakshit Agrawal. I'm the Director of Research and Development at Camio, and today I'm going to discuss how containerization unblocks the barriers to fast and easy deployment of AI-driven visual recognition applications. What I mean by this term is that we are talking about AI and how we want to take AI into the real world and how that process can be really complicated, but you can make it simpler by deploying containers in the field. So the topics are sort of laid out in a way that we'll first go over what it means to take research from notebooks all the way to the chipsets ranging across Tesla T4s, ARM processors, so there's a full spectrum, and Intel processors all the way, and how actually when we use containers, this deployment to different infrastructures, different architectures actually becomes much more flexible. And also we'll discuss the full AI deployment pipeline from research to end, how Camio works with such a pipeline, and how it adds confidence in the iterations. Because we need continuous iterations as we are improving our solutions, improving our AI models, improving the algorithms. There are so many pieces, and we want to be sort of able to develop it, spend time in development, and then take it all the way to the production side without really too much concern and with confidence. So it all gives us adaptability, speed, and reliability, which is sort of what we are gaining with the help of containers and the orchestration tools around the containers world. And then we'll briefly discuss some trade-offs and limitations that's around this space and how we can basically build a new field where containers are at the center of it, and we can figure out better solutions to unblock all the barriers.